Automatic impulse sealer machine. Connect the power cord to the machine. Power on the machine to begin operation. Insert the pedal cord into the machine. Made of high-quality materials, this machine ensures long-term service. Set the sealing time according to your requirements for optimal sealing. It features a customizable sealing time for different materials. Select the manual or auto mode as per your requirement. Place the pouch you want to seal into the sealing area. Press the pedal to start the sealing process. Your pouch is now perfectly sealed. Take another pouch you want to seal and repeat the process. The automatic impulse sealer seals various types of pouches, including plastic, laminated, and aluminum pouches.